Hi guys, today I will show you how to go live on TikTok on PC. Before I start, I would appreciate if you like the video and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, the first step is to go to TikTok and then to our profile. Click on Live Studio. Click on Download for Windows. We wait for it to download. And install it. Now we start session in TikTok with the account which we want to make live. Click here and select the screen which you want to show in the live. Now adjust the size here. Click on Add Source, and in case you have a camera, you can add one here. In my case, I don't have one, but doing that, it should link the camera and you can adjust the size the same way you did with the screen. If we click on Add Source, we can add more things. That's up to each one. Once everything is configured, click on Go Live. If you found the video useful, leave me a like and a subscription. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Thanks.